Hi, I'm Heidi from WTI. Sometimes I feel that knitting is very tedious, but with this knitting machine, it has made knitting so much more fun. The fact that I can make a hat is simply amazing. This knitting machine is so easy to use. All you have to do is take your yarn, thread it through, and the machine will do the work for you. The hooks grab the yarn and will make it go all the way around and around again until you have the project that you want finished. I love the fact that the feet have suction cups on them, so you can put it on any smooth surface and it's not going anywhere. Your project is going to stay in the same place. What's also great is that it comes with tools to help you finish whatever project that you're working on. I'm having so much fun making my own hat and scarves and whatever projects I can make with this, but that's my point of view.